from far away, would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. These are the things in the rain, purple I can't find. Take me home where I belong. I can take it anymore. What do you think? Take it anymore. Take that jam, take that jam, take. The good and the bad thing about this this phase of multiplayer races is that there are no knockdowns. It becomes kind of boring to not have any knockdowns. It used to be fun, but it's okay. They need to diversify. Some people are very good at the knockdown game, some are good at the knockdown 3-1s. But a real racer is good at everything. Yeah. Oh, we're already 90% in the completion. I think I'll be finishing third. Oh yeah. Bang it. Oh, wanted to crash myself. Okay. I think I did fairly good for my car. Ranking third. It might take a while for us to get into the gold league though. I never understood what these are for. Bugatti Chiron new tires slim.